In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome. We've all been there. You were browsing one day and accidentally deleted your browsing history. Maybe you were just trying to clean up, or perhaps it was an honest mistake, and now you're left wondering if that history is gone forever. Well, good news. While it might be stressful, there's a straightforward way to recover some of that lost information, thanks to Google's activity tracking features. To start, you'll need to visit a very important resource, and that's myactivity.google.com. This site is your go-to hub for viewing all sorts of actions you've taken across Google services. It's a powerful tool, and we'll use it here to try and restore some of that browsing history you have removed. Once you arrive at the site, you'll find a comprehensive list of activities from your Google account. This list can be filtered to make navigation easier. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. You can browse by date if you know the specific time frame you're trying to retrieve information from. Alternatively, you can search by the website name if there's a particular site you're trying to revisit. You even have the option to search by specific terms if that's more convenient. These filters are especially helpful if the information you're looking for spans multiple days or weeks. Now, once you've located the activity you've been looking for, the next step is simple. Just click on the item. This will often give you the option to revisit the page directly, or, if you prefer, you can choose to copy the link. This approach allows you to quickly return to the websites that may have seemed forever lost just moments ago. Here's an essential point to keep in mind, though. This method only works if you had Chrome Sync enabled before the history was deleted. Chrome Sync is what allows Google servers to keep all your browsing data consistent across different devices logged into your account. If Sync was off, then myactivity.google.com might not have the information you're looking for. But if it's enabled, this tool can be incredibly useful in recovering lost history. If you didn't have Sync enabled and find you're unable to recover your desired history this way, consider enabling it for next time. This feature offers significant peace of mind, knowing that your data is being synchronized across your devices, ready to be retrieved whenever you need it. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to restore your deleted Google Chrome history. By utilizing Google's activity tools, you can hopefully bring back those lost sites and continue browsing where you left off. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.